Forgot your Windows 11 login password and completely locked out? In this video, I'll show you how to reset a Windows 11 password for free using Lazesoft Recovery Suite Home Edition. This computer is locked because the Windows 11 password was forgotten. We can't log in normally, so we'll use a bootable recovery tool. First, use another working computer. Go to Lazesoft's official website and download Lazesoft Recovery Suite Home Edition. Then install it like a normal Windows program. After installation, launch Lazesoft Recovery Suite. Click Burn CD or USB disk to open the Media Builder. Insert a USB flash drive, select it here, and click Start. This will create a bootable Lazesoft Recovery USB. Now insert the Lazesoft USB disk into the locked computer. Restart the PC and open the boot menu, usually by pressing F12, F9, ESC, or DEL, depending on your computer. Choose the USB device to boot. The computer now boots into Lazesoft Recovery Suite. This runs outside of Windows so it can fix login problems. Click Password Recovery, then select Reset Windows Password. Choose the Windows installation and select the built-in administrator account. Click Reset or Unlock to remove the password. Remove the USB drive and reboot the computer normally. On the login screen, select the administrator account. No password is required. You're back in. And that's it. You've successfully recovered access to Windows 11, completely free. Lazesoft Recovery Suite Home Edition is a powerful tool for password recovery, boot repair, and data recovery.